Hi guys, welcome back to the farm. Today we are making a small batch of lotion, and we're going to start with some distilled water. You want to make sure that your water is as clean as possible, so distilled is the best. And we're adding jojoba oil to this lotion recipe, making it very thick. And then some citric acid. And in this mixture, this is our emulsifier. It is stearic acid and BTMS 50. BTMS 50 is an emulsifier that's derived from plants. So it's good for your body. It's super conditioning and it helps combine your oils and waters. So heat that up, and then we're going to mix it up with our stick blender. And once it's mixed up, we're going to add in anything to make it shelf stable, any kind of ingredients that you want to add to that. Today we're not adding that because it's such a small batch. We're just going to add our essential oils for fragrance, and in this recipe we have a lemongrass essential oil as well as a bergamot. We're just making it a very mildly scented lotion, and it's a very thick, creamy lotion, so I would use it at night. And it's really got some good beneficial things for your skin to keep it nice and hydrated. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. Ring the bell so that you are notified of all of our uploads, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.